classes. Today we are going to deal 9th English. In 9th English we already completed first unit. Now we have moved on to the second unit, that is games and sports. So inside games and sports we learned A reading, True Height, that is a story about story of Michael Stone. B reading, what is a player? We learned the qualities of a true player. And now in C reading we are going to learn about a very special person, VVS Lakshman, who was an excellent batsman and he delighted the world. He made the cricket lovers throughout the world happy with his excellent batting lineup, and he also represented the Indian team at national as well as international level. So actually this is an interview of VVS Lakshman taken by V.V. Subramaniam for the sports magazine Sports Star. So now I am going to read children, you listen here carefully. Treat success and failure on the same wavelength. Success and failure are part of anybody's life. The key is self-belief and performing consistently in tough conditions. VVS Lakshman tells V.V. Subramaniam. So what did VVS Lakshman tell? Treat success and failure on the same wavelength. Treat both success as well as failure equally. Why? Because success and failure are part of anybody's life. No person can be completely successful or no person can be considered as completely failure person. Why? Because success and failure travel with each other together. And here, so what you should remember is, you should never become overconfident when you are successful and you should never lose heart when you face failure. So treat them equally. Success and failure are part of anybody's life. Everybody has to face it. The key means the key to success is a self-belief and performing consistently. Consistently means continuously. Consistently means continuously. So what is the key to success? Key to success is self-belief and performing consistently in tough conditions. Tough means even difficult or hard conditions. So when you perform continuously well, even in your difficult conditions, then there is no lack in your success. VVS Lakshman tells V.V. Subramaniam. So I told you children, this is an interview of VVS Lakshman taken by V.V. Subramaniam. One of the finest player in contemporary cricket. Contemporary means present day. So you can consider this person. This person is VVS Lakshman as one of the finest cricketers in present day cricket. Has called it a day. Called it a day means what children? Announced the retirement. So when any person, spokesperson, announces the retirement, we call it a day. So this man has called it a day. For someone who delighted cricket lovers, delighted means made happy cricket lovers with his brilliance. Brilliance means talent. With the willow refers to bat. So he made all the cricket lovers throughout the world happy with his bat. For 16 long years in Test cricket, Vandipurapu Venkatasai Lakshman announced his retirement at a crowded media conference in Hyderabad ahead of the 2 Test series against the New Zealand. So this great man who played for 16 long years in international level and represented India has called it a day, and he has delighted all the fans, all the cricket lovers throughout the world with his talent with the bat. The 37-year-old star batsman, who was a part of the fabulous batting lineup which helped India become the #1 Test team, shares his experiences and thoughts in our exclusive interview with Sports Star. So this 37-year-old star batsman, famous batsman, who really represented India, and he was part of the team which was the #1 team in the world. He shares his experiences, his feelings in an exclusive interview with the sports magazine magazine Sports Star. So I told you VVS Lakshman, he is giving an interview to VV Subramaniam for the magazine Sports Star. So here you have learned, children, what is the full name of VVS Lakshman? Bangipurapu Venkata Sai Lakshman, who belongs to Andhra Pradesh. Sports Star. So the person, V. Subramaniam, is asking the question, when you look back, how has the journey been in the world of cricket? He is asking to VVS. So when you means Lakshman, when you look back, how has the journey been in the world of cricket? How did you feel your journey in cricket? VVS Lakshman is answering, it has been wonderful. I was lucky that the Hyderabad Cricket Association promoted me and Zaki, Syed Moinuddin Zaki, from under 16 level itself. They made us play in the under 19 grade the same year. So what is it telling? It has really been wonderful journey for me in this cricket, because I was lucky that the Hyderabad Cricket Association promoted me and Zaki also from the under 16 level itself. So we are different levels, children. Under 16, under 19, then senior level. So he got encouragement right from under 16 level along with another cricketer, Zaki. They made us play in under 19 grade the same year. Again, he was made to play in under 19 level. It was a huge leap for us and very encouraging. So it was a big jump. Huge leap means big jump, big achievement for them and very encouraging. Fortunately, so luckily, by 18, I was on the verge of playing for Hyderabad in the Ranji Trophy. So he was luckily on the verge of playing for Ranji Trophy for the team of Hyderabad. So fortunately he got the opportunity to play in Ranji Trophy for Hyderabad side when he was just 18 years old. Honestly, I feel that all the hard work and commitment I put in from the start of my career have culminated in 16 long years of international cricket. Culminated means resulted. So what is it telling? Whatever hard work I put in right from the beginning, right from 16 years, has resulted in 16 long years of international cricket. Because of my hard work, I was able to play it at international level for 16 long years. It has been an immensely satisfying feeling to have contributed to Indian cricket in my own way. So he felt very happy. He was so happy that he was able to contribute his own way. He was able to contribute his own talent to the Indian cricket team at the international level. Now, V.V. Subramaniam is asking, who has been the biggest influence on you? So, who has influenced you a lot? V.V.S. Lakshman is answering, my parents, Dr. V. Shantaram and Dr. V. Satyabhama, no doubt about that. Especially given the fact that sports were never an integral part of our family. But the guiding philosophy which they taught was handling success and failure with equal ease. So what is it telling? My parents were the biggest influence for me. Both my parents, my father and my mother, V. Shantaram and V. Satyabhama, both were doctors. They influenced me a lot. And although sports was never an integral part means essential part. Never an integral part, essential part in my family. But then too my parents encouraged me. And the best thing, the first thing which they taught me was to treat both success and failure equally. Now again V.V. Subramaniam is asking, what did the sport teach you? What did the sport teach you means what did this cricket teach you? V.V.S. Lakshman is answering, character. Sports cricket has taught me character. To treat success and failure on the same wavelength. It also taught me to be very balanced, and obviously whatever I am today is because of cricket. So he owes everything to cricket. He is telling whatever I am today, it's only because of cricket. It has taught me character. It has taught me how to deal success as well as failure. Now again he is asking, Sports Star interviewer is asking, what was the most difficult phase of your career? Means what was the most difficult part of your cricket career? VVS is answering, it was when I had to prefer cricket to academics. So what he said, when I had to take one option out of the two, whether cricket or academics, because he came from a family of doctors. So he had the natural desire to become a doctor. But he had the love, the passion to play cricket. So what to do? He did not understand. That was the toughest time in his career life. It was when I had to prefer cricket to academics. That was the toughest moment of my life. Though there was always the dream to play for my country, I also had a natural desire to be a doctor, coming from a family of doctors. Luckily, my father gave me the complete freedom to choose any one of the two. So what is he telling? I always had the dream to play for my country, but belonging to a family of doctors, I wanted to become a doctor too. So here it became very difficult, but at the same time my father encouraged me and my father gave me complete freedom to choose either cricket or studies. Here the role of my uncle Baba Mohan was very crucial along with some of the coaches then. Here even my uncle Baba Mohan supported me, encouraged me, and he played a vital crucial role, means important role, and he encouraged me to prefer sports over academics. Now again, Subramaniam is asking, do you believe that it will be difficult for the modern day young talent to make it as big as you did? Have things changed a lot in this regard? So he's asking, is the modern day young talent feeling very difficult to become as famous as you have become? Now VVS Lakshman is answering, frankly nowadays it is more easy to perform and be recognized because of the media glare. So what is he telling? Now it is more easy to become recognized, to become famous because of increasing media glare. Media glare means media attraction, attention. Nowadays the technology has improved and the attention of the media has also increased. So it is easy. Once you become success, you will be taken to the top by the media people. There are many platforms for real talent to come good, and the IPL is one such which pushes you into national reckoning. So he's saying there are many different platforms, many different ways to become famous. And IPL, Indian Premier League, which is conducted every year by BCCI, the Cricket Board in India, and that is one such good platform which makes the players' talent famous throughout the world, and it pushes the players into national reckoning. So the players get fame at the national and international level. If you perform, you are bound to get recognized. One thing you should remember, if you perform, if you work hard, if you get success, then there will be no stop for your recognition. You will be recognized throughout the world. Now sports stars V.V. Subramaniam is asking, from where did you draw the strength to emerge as a giant every time there was an effort to dwarf your achievements? So whenever you became successful, some people were there to just suppress your achievements. But during those tough times, from where did you get the strength? VVS Lakshman is answering, my parents and my entire family again, they along with my well-wishers were always the source of inspiration. The best part is that they never changed irrespective of whether I was performing or not. So what he's telling, I got inspiration, courage, encouragement, support from my family members, friends and well-wishers. Even if I perform or even if I did not perform, I got courage from my friends and well-wishers and my family members. Now VVS Subramaniam is asking, what were your biggest moments as a cricketer? When did you feel very happy, proud as a cricketer? VVS Lakshman is answering, there were many. There were many times when I felt very proud, but some stand out. Really, some are very, very special. Though I never played the World Cup that saw India as #1 team, being a member of the Indian team, which was the world #1 in Test cricket, was one of them. Although I did not play in any World Cup squad, any World Cup team, but I played in the team when India got #1 position in Test level. The 281 against the Aussies in Kolkata in 2001 was another. So in 2000 Test match in Kolkata, he scored 281 runs, and because of those runs, India won that Test match, which it was going to lose. That Test remains the most memorable match for me. In fact, that Test series was very special for all the players, for